Good day, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how we can use the history command in Linux. So what the history command does is to show you a list of commands that you have recently typed. So in order to navigate through this list, what you usually do is to type the up and down arrow keys, okay, on your keyboard. What you do there is just navigating through the commands that you typed weeks ago, hours ago, or perhaps months ago. All right. Another way to navigate through this, or well, let's say looking up a command for a specific command. For example, in this case, could be tuner. You can press Control and then R, and then you can see the prompt of the terminal changed, and it's waiting for an input. Let's say that I want to execute tuner. In this case, I have to type T, then H, and as you can see, the system tried to figure out or to give you the command that you are trying to find. Once you have found the command that you want to execute, you press enter and the system will execute the command. All right. And let me close there, clear the screen. Now, to see the list of commands, you just execute the history command. Okay, I made a mistake there. There we go. And well, what you have on the right are the commands, and what you have on the left are, let's say, the ID for that command. All right. We can execute these commands using the numbers that reference them. All right. For example, let's say that I want to execute tuner again, but using this number. So what we can do is to type the exclamation mark and then 2020. All right. And the system, oh, sorry, I made a mistake. It is 2021. And there it is. Okay. But in the previous case, what it did is to execute cd tmp. I mean, moving myself to the tmp directory. So another thing we can do is to execute the last command we just executed. I'm going to go to tmp again, sorry, and execute ls. So as you can see, ls was the last command I typed. So if I want to execute that command again, okay, I can press the up arrow key, and the system will navigate through the list of commands in order to find that, because it's the one that I just executed. Of course, it is the first that is going to be shown in the terminal. But you can also do the same thing by typing double exclamation marks and achieve the same thing. All right. So you have two ways to execute the last command of the history. You can use the up arrow key and press enter, or you can use the double exclamation mark and press enter, and you will execute the same command because it's the last one. All right. Another thing that we need to do, or we need to know here, it's about the file that saved these commands. I mean, the file that saves this command. In order to know where this file is located, I have to use the command echo with the variable hist file, okay, in capital letters. When you press enter, you will see the absolute path to the file where commands are saved. All right. So if you want to clear the history, you have two ways to do it. you can use vim and the name of the file where it is located, where it is saved, where they are saved, sorry. And press enter. You can delete all the content you see here very easily by using any text editor you want. In this case, I like to use Vim. So if I delete this and then save this, the history list will be cleared. But there's another way to do this. You can also use the same command, history command. Oops, all right, with the option -C in order to clear the history. Another thing we can do is to change the name of the file where the commands are saved. In this case, I can do this. Hist file equals, and then the absolute path, and we can say test. Just an example, all right? And when you type echo again with the name of the variable, you will see that the name of the file where commands are saved is changed. All right. Now I'm going to change it back again to the default values. All right. .bash history. So echo this file. Okay, there we go. Excellent. Now, another variable that you need to keep, that I recommend to keep in mind is the hist size, because you can change the history saving limits. What I mean with this is that you can change how many commands will be saved in the previous file we just opened, right? For example, in my system, by default, if I type echo hist size, by default, my system can save only 1000 commands. All right, we can change this value whenever you want, using the same method, the same syntax, so to speak, as before, but in this case using this hist size variable. Let's say that this time I want 500. Now when I type echo hist size, now it's saved. Now the system can say 500 commands. All right. So this is it for today. I just wanted to show you the things or the features that history command comes or are available for you to use, perhaps as a system administrator or maybe as just a normal Linux user. So I hope you liked this video. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.